Hello everyone, welcome to EngLog, Digital Engineering Logbook and Works Management System. Today I will explain the tour entry workflow, one of the most useful features of EngLog for engineers and field staff. EngLog helps engineers digitalize inspections, maintain M-book outward and inward records, track bills, monitor work expenditure, and ensure transparency in work management. First of all, log in into your account. So I'm logging. So after login, open the inspection module and access the calendar view. Here, engineers can view schedules. That means monthly schedules they can view or check previous inspections and tour entries by long pressing the tour dates. Track important events, view GPY's details, tool details. So long press any date to mark leave. Here leave is very important because the leave option is an important feature in Angular. Whenever you are on official leave, it is mandatory to mark the leave in the inspection calendar by long pressing the respective date. Marking leave helps maintain an accurate inspection diary and prevents the date from being considered as a tour or inspection day. It also ensures proper tracking of working days, tour days, and leave days for future reference. Therefore, users are advised to update their leaves details whenever applicable before recording any tour entries. This helps maintain a complete digital inspection diary. So select any date and create a new tour entry. So after selecting a date, choose the type of visit. So here there are two forms. One is work tour, another one is field tour. See here work tour and field tour. So this selection determines the type of record to be entered. If user selects field tour, system automatically fills the date of visit. Next, click the get location button to fetch the current location and enter the purpose of visit and select the checkbox important if it is an important event. Upload the photographs or supporting documents if you have. And finally, submit the field tour. So after submission, the field tour entry is saved and displayed in the calendar. And next coming to the work tour. Here work tour, basic information, date of visit, district, constituency, mandal. These, these are automatically fields. The user must select the Gram Panchayat and village and habitation before proceeding further. This reduces the manual data entry and improves the accuracy. So next is select entry type. Here there are two options. One is field inspection, another one is work measurement. So If you select the field inspection, it is generally for without MWork entries, it can be used. So here, just you need to enter the purpose of visit. That means any inspection remarks, site observations, progress status, these things may be entered. If the inspection is important, select the important event checkbox. And if you have any photographs, supporting documents, upload it here and submit the submit button. So after submission, the inspection record is saved and displayed in the calendar. For example, if you select the option B, which is work measurement entry, then for measurement and billing activities, select the work measurement flow. The system checks whether your work already exists in the selected Gram Panchayat. So here, selecting existing work IDs. So select the work ID. Work details are automatically populated. For example, I'm selecting the existing work ID. So these automatically, those details are populated. So they eliminates the repetitive data entry and saves valuable time. If the work does not exist, for example, if there are no works in the Gram Panchayat, then you need to enter the name of the work, name of the sub work, and estimate cost, grant, work status. The unique work ID is generated automatically. This work ID can be used for future measurements, inspections, and bill submission related to the same work. And next, coming to the MWork details. This is the MWork details section. So here date of visit will be automatically populated from the date of visit, and MWork number you need to enter, and pages from one to you need to enter from 1 to. Okay, if multiple MWorks entries are there, click add another MWork entry. If you click like this, so it takes the date of visit. If you want to change the date of visit, you can change it from here. So that is the add MWork entry. This creates a complete digital work management records and maintains a permanent history of MWork entries. And next, coming to the bill submission. If you are submitting if your bill is being submitted, select yes. And if you enter the bill status, here bill status is part bill or final bill. If you are selecting the part bill, current bill amount, you need to enter the what much of amount you are going to submit. Just enter it. And GST percentage, 18% or something will be there that we have to enter. And particulars of expenditure, you need to enter the here. What are the particulars of the expenditure? The system automatically calculates the value and track bill progress. Previous bill amounts are also available. See here, already previous bill amount I was submitted this much. Helping users monitor expenditure and billing status accurately. If no bill is being submitted, simply select no. For example, I don't want to submit the bill. Just simply say no and continue. But here you need to enter the required PDF files, office documents, or photographs, or any scanned records. You need to enter in upload documents. All supporting documents are securely stored against the respective work ID. This ensures that all the project related information remains available in one location for future reference. So next final submission is clicks submit button. Your tour or work entry is successfully recorded in the system. So this is the tour entry workflow. So what EngLog generates automatically if you, after entering the tour entry flow, what are the automatic records will develop. So I will explain those things. Those are personal records, team records. These two records automatically generate. So in personal records, what are the types of records available? So here unique work ID will be created, tour entry record will be created, MBook movement record including outward and inward details will be developed, bill tracking record, inspection log, calendar entry, important event tags, dedicated work file, financial year wise progress report. So these are the financial year wise progress reports, grant wise progress reports, all related documents such as estimates, agreements, bills, photographs, and YAMBook outward and inward entries are organized in a single location for easy access. The dedicated work file becomes a valuable repository for monitoring and auditing, reporting, and information retrieval. So key benefits of EngLog. Digital inspection management, easy MBook maintenance, MBook movement tracking, uh, bill tracking system, faster information retrieval, better transparency, improved monitoring, RTA information support, complete work life cycle tracking, organize digital record management, reduce the paperwork and manual registers. So these type of records will develop by a single entry of the tool entry form. Okay, thank you for watching. EngLog is designed to simplify engineering field operations, improve record management, and support transparent project monitoring by bringing inspection, measurements, billing, book management, and document storage onto a single digital platform. EngLog helps engineers save time, improve accountability, and maintain accurate records throughout the life cycle of a project. EngLog is more than a digital logbook. It is a complete engineering work management platform that helps engineers maintain inspections, measurements, billing records, and project documentation in single place. We invite all engineers and field staff to explore its features and experience a smarter way of managing engineering works. To explore EngLog and experience digital engineering work management, visit digitalengineeringlogbook.com or simply search for EngLog on Google. Thank you and have a great day.